flow turbine. So in this turbine, so conducting experiment and drawing the characteristics of Pelton wheel for test rig. So the aim of this Pelton wheel is to conduct the load test Pelton wheel turbine and study the characteristics of Pelton wheel turbine. So this is a main experiment to do this. Next we have tools required venturi meter, stopwatch and tachometer and dead weight pressure gauge. Dead weight pressure. This is the diagram of Pelton wheel. So this is the flow entry and then exit of the flow. Okay, so this is a tangentially ended and then radially out to the turbine. This is a mixed flow turbine. In this turbine, the parts are identified very easily. 1, 2, 3 is a part is so given into the corresponding component. Okay, so next one. This is a tabular column. From the tabular column, to observe the diameter of the pipe inlet and then orifice meter diameter. Then you have to length of the collecting tank and then breadth of the collecting tank. Okay, next one, inlet pressure of the venturi and then total head. So the next one, P1 and P2 reading. This is a venturi inlet, venturi outlet. This is a total head value. So then discharge of the outlet, then speed of the Pelton turbine, then weight, how much amount of the weight produced in your Pelton turbine. Next we are calculate the weight balance 1 and 2. Okay, so this is dead weight value, this is a spring value. So T2 minus T1, this is a total weight of the Pelton turbine. So this is output of the turbine. Then input of the how much amount of the input given into the turbine. Okay, so output divided by input to get the efficiency of the Pelton wheel. This is the average value. From the tabular column, you are using the corresponding parameter to apply the given formula to get the efficiency of the Pelton turbine. Okay, first switch on the machine. So this green button is on, red button is off. So switch on the Pelton wheel. Change the inlet discharge. Get one. How to operate this Pelton wheel? First of all, you switch on the machine. So you'll go to the motor is on. Then discharge is connected with the Pelton wheel inlet. So this Pelton wheel inlet is to control the inlet discharge. This is a gate valve. Gate valve is anti-clockwise open, clockwise closed. Already I told all the experiment. This is a similar kind of situation. So this control the inlet discharge. Then you have to control the spear. Okay, spear is the distance of the discharge water and then quantity of the discharge is controlled by this spear. So then whenever you control the pressure, so the inlet delivery of the motor, discharge of the motor is find out the pressure. Then orifice meter P1, P2 is also measured. So finally you will get the load applied in your Pelton wheel disc. So this is a load 1, this is a load 2. So this is a T1 and T2. T2 minus T1, you will get the final output of the load. So from that Pelton wheel to get the speedometer. This particular machine to calculate the speed. So by the tachometer. So this tachometer to use this the end of the desk to calculate the speed of the turbine. So this everything should be tabulated in your manual. So after that you will get the turbine using for formula.